Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well guys, we building an outdoor kitchen and we're doing it live. So we want you to check out our channel and you can check out our live them where we building these outdoor kitchen. This is actually a countertop right now at this moment here. As you see shaping out, let me give you a look. This is the sink. This is the sink in between here, and this is the slab. Over here is where we actually building the oven. This is the oven. These are some old brick that we find, blocks that we find right here. And what we did, we take them out and we put them back and we add a little cement in between, so we actually revive them. So now they're gonna look, once we clean them up and everything, they're gonna look awesome. All right, so yes guys, gonna be a beautiful design. This is basically a bottle concrete. This is one of our design. This is the design here as well. Is a bottle that we put concrete into. We have the door. This is the door gonna be here. Down there is where you're going to be putting the wood fire. And when you come over here, this is actually going to be the door. The door going to be a slab of concrete. So these are the two that hanger that you're going to be sliding it out with or lifting it out with. So this is just a project, guys, we're doing. We want you to support us. We want you to check out our channel. And please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, because we're gonna be having a cookout as soon as this finish. This is gonna be a beautiful spot. We're gonna have a young chef coming over and cook, and I'm gonna be cooking some ital. So it's gonna be an interesting journey. So please guys, support us however you can. We will truly appreciate it. Don't mind it look ugly now, because it was an old patio that we start reviving. All right, so thank you all. Please follow us, please subscribe. In a few days we gonna get this up and running. All right, thank you all so much.